In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off Outlook suggested replies. If you use Outlook on the web, you may have noticed those quick reply suggestions that appear when you open certain emails. These are called suggested replies, and they can be helpful if you want to respond quickly with a simple answer. But if you find them distracting, or you just prefer to write every reply yourself, Outlook gives you the option to disable them. And if they're already off, you can turn them back on just as easily. To get started, go to the Mail section in Outlook. Make sure you're on the main Mail screen before moving on, since that's where you will be able to access the setting we need. Once you are in Mail, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings icon. This is the gear-shaped icon that opens your Outlook preferences and customization options. If you use Outlook regularly, this is a useful area to remember, because many common display and message settings can be changed here. After opening Settings, find and click on Smart Suggestions. This section controls features related to Outlook's automated assistants, including the suggested replies that appear while reading messages. Depending on your screen size or layout, you may need to scroll a little to locate it, so just take a moment and look through the available options carefully. When you're inside Smart Suggestions, look for the option labeled Show Suggested Replies when you read a message. If you want to turn suggested replies off, uncheck that box. As soon as it's unchecked, Outlook will stop showing those automatic reply suggestions when you open emails. If your goal is to turn suggested replies back on instead, simply check the same box again. That will re-enable the feature so Outlook can continue offering quick response options while you read messages. This is a small setting, but it can make a big difference in how clean and personalized your email experience feels. If you like a more minimal inbox and fewer prompts on screen, turning suggested replies off can help. On the other hand, if speed and convenience matter most, keeping them on may save you time during busy days. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to turn Outlook suggested replies on or off in just a few clicks.